Mula sa post ni Ben Nalagasan, makikita SB19 really is one of the top artists under Sony Music. No, like their photo being displayed in the main office says it all. They're clearly one of the biggest contributors of Sony. In-screenshot po lang natin ang video na yan kung saan may mga babae nga na nagsasayaw doon sa office ng Sony at makikita nga doon na nakalagay sa wall ang napakalaking photo o poster ng SB19 kasama ang ilan pang mga kilalang singers na inalagaan ng Sony. Samantala, nagpasalamat naman sa The Shoe Twins ang mga 18 or ang SB19 fans dahil mula sa New Zealand or NC ay nagpunta sa Singapore ang dalawa upang suportahan ng SB19. Well, kilala nga ang The Shoe sa supporters talaga ng SB19 dahil madalas nilang itapik ang dalawa sa kanilang vlog. Sa katunayan, nito lamang ay nag-viral ang kanilang rendition o version ng Time kung saan ay kinanta nila ito at napakaganda nga ng pagkakanta. Ngayon naman ay talagang lumipad sila galing pa ng New Zealand at pumunta ng Singapore. Grabing suporta dahil may mga merch or perks din silang dala, cups na may simula at wakas na nakaprinted doon at marami pang iba at nanood din sila ng basking ng SB19 sa Singapore. Kaya naman say ng mga fans sa kanila, thank you for your all-out support to our Mahalima. OMG, thank you for the love and support to our beloved 5 SB19. Hope you're enjoying SG, pretty pricey there but it's beautiful. Such a dedicated 18. Legit fanboy, hope to see you again soon in the PH Homecoming. Well, mula naman sa kanilang YouTube post, sabi nila, our lovely twins never forget to support our SB19 all the way from everywhere. You guys are truly amazing. We can't thank you enough for your amazing support and dedication to show up your love for our SB19. Wish you have a wonderful days ahead. God bless you too. I really appreciate these twins for genuinely supporting SB19. We love the Shoe Twins. Enjoy the concert of our Mahalima. I hope they will have also in Europe 18 France here. Your celebrity status among 18s are undeniably now. Happy to see you in attendance. Enjoy and have fun. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.